What's up guys? I'm actually very excited to do this video today because I'm actually getting somewhere with my project. Okay, so last week we talked about the base of the table. How this is the base made of aluminium and how I made a few crossbars around here just to increase the strength. And this time we are going to attach the legs on here and here, and I'm going to walk you through on how I'm going to do that. So before I start, I need to talk about what the leg is consist of. So there are three parts to the legs. First off, this is essentially a square block of wood. This was a square before, and what I did was I round it off into a circle and left this as a square. So this part, I'm going to cut a little opening here around this angle. So it's going to sit on the base like that, and it's going to be on an angle. And what's connecting this is a pair of black pipes. So this is the black pipe, and this is going to just sit in the black pipe, as you can see. Yep, the black pipe, and it will look like this. The black pipe, essentially, they are extendable. Also, connecting to the black pipes, there will be this weird looking bracket. This is going to sit in the black pipes. So at the end, this is the whole thing that you will get. This is one leg, and this side is going to connect to the base, and this side is going to connect to the tabletop. There's the part where the base connect to the leg. So this is what I'm going to work on today. Because I lack the skills, the machinery and the tools to do most of the things I need to do in this project, and I tend to find the most easiest way to do things and then just get on with it. Okay, now I'm telling you this because as you can see, this used to be the table that I work on, and this is now pretty broken right now. I tried to repair it, put a wooden leg here because that part fully fell off. This used to look the same as this side, and if you look more closely, this side is starting to fall apart as well, and it wobbles so much. I don't think I can work safely on this table. So we have to do this pretty caveman way. So to start off with, we get a seat and 2 bricks. Okay, now we'll get the block of wood, and yeah, we're just going to go for it now. Okay, now that we got this block, I am going to mark half of it, and I'm going to cut the corner of that half. Okay, so now I've got the block cut off on all 4 corners. You see the ridge here, and on the other side as well. The chisel, this is a hammer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go from the top and then chisel it down. So it's going to be like that, and I'm going to chisel it down. Yeah. And what will happen is the wood, because the grain is running this, the grain is running this way, and I just cut it here, and if I chisel it down this way, the wood will follow the easiest path to break off, so it will follow the grain and just break off. Very simple. Oh, and if I keep chiseling around all the way around, then I will create a circular, half circular pole like you saw on the other one I showed you earlier. See, just like that, one corner had come off, and it's just pretty straight cut, no effort at all. So all I need to do is continue all the way around until this becomes a circle and fits in the pipe. Okay, so that was really bad. I wasn't really watching, and I chiseled it all the way down the end. Like it's all the way down the end now. I only need it being halfway through. So doesn't matter. This end is going to go on the base. This will be the connect end of the base. I just need to make sure it doesn't happen again, because by then I'll have to create a new block and it will take a lot of effort. Hello again guys, it's already got dark, so I need to move to another place where there is ample lighting. Sorry for the crappy quality, but this is the best I can manage at the moment. I'll only finish this part off, and that is all I'll do today. So the saw just decided to make itself unusable, so I have to use something else. So here, this is a Swiss knife, and it has a saw in it. I'm going to use that. Okay, now I got this block shaped, all shaped and well, but the surface is still really rough, so I can file. So I'm going to file it down, and there's a way I can do this really quickly. Okay, now that it is inside, I can just spin it. And just press the trigger and it will spin. And the idea is while it's spinning, and I'm going to put a file on top of it while it's spinning. So it just file itself off like that. Hey guys, so I finally got the block finished. It's nice and smooth finish, and the best part is it fits in the pipe nice and easy. There you go, just like that. So it's all ready for cutting here to be fit into the base tomorrow. Anyway, thanks for watching. It has been a long day, but I finally got it done, so I'm very happy about that. One more thing is I have a website up. It is called whysoserious.com. This is where I'll be posting these videos from now on, as well as Facebook. And it's also a platform where I'll be keeping a journal. There's a page about my cat, about why the site is called whysoserious.com, and also about the project itself. This is how you can keep track as well as watching this video. Anyway, thanks.